Operation instructions. Open the bucket lid to add the ingredients and close the bucket lid. Note: do not start the machine with no ingredients in the bucket, otherwise it will do damage to the unit. Plug in the machine and press the switch button. Press the desired working mode button to start work. The corresponding mode indicator flashes. During the working process, you can adjust the settings as needed, such as switching the modes, adjusting the hardness, and turning the lights on or off. Note: when the bucket is removed during working, the hardness display bar will show the light flashing, and the machine will stop for self-protection. After returning the bucket to its original position, the machine will automatically resume operation. With the influence of various factors, including but not limited to the amount, temperature, sugar content of the material, ambient temperature, the forming time of the ingredients in the same mode may vary. While waiting, you can switch the working mode and hardness, or add different ingredients to change the sugar content or temperature of the drinks to accelerate the process. Once the ingredients reach the default hardness, the corresponding mode indicator will be solid. The machine will stop working. Equipped with the human body induction, the mixer will rotate when you approach the machine. Hold and slowly pull the handle down to discharge the drinks out. Do not pull the handle too hard to prevent the handle from falling off the valve rod. Note: after one cycle is done, the machine will automatically work once the drop in temperature was detected. To keep the beverage in good condition,